Hello friends, today we will talk about Shubh loans. So keep watching this video till the end. Please subscribe my channel Gyan Maitra. Shubh Loans app is a digital lending platform which not only provides you loans for your personal needs but also generates your personalized credit report. The app gives you tips on how to improve your credit score and get approval for higher loan amounts. To get a loan, just follow these 6 simple steps. 1. Download the Shubh Loans Android app and log in using Gmail ID. 2. Complete profile information, Aadhaar, PAN, online bank statement. 3. Generate your free Shubh Loans credit report. 4. Apply for loan on the app. 5. Get money in your account. 6. Start paying EMIs from your salary account. Why Shubh Loans? Get loans for all your personal needs including education, vehicle, business, etc. 2. Easy access to credit from the comfort of your home. KYC documents to be uploaded on the application. Get loans ranging from 5,000 to 2 lakh. Long-term payment tenure of up to 2 years. EMI starting from 2,364 for a loan of 25k currently. We only provide loans to salaried employees with monthly income greater than 15,000. Shubh Loans app is available in Kannada, Tamil, and English.